What's up, viewers? It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah, man, today I got a quick product review for you. It's all about very popular product, Superior Products, Dark Fury, wheel and tire cleaner, right? It actually says wheel and bug cleaner, body shop safe. This is an OG product in the game. I'm late to it. I've seen many detailers use it online and actually in person, but I personally have never used it, so today is all about me using it for the first time on these wheels right here.
Clean Car Chris, funny vibes. Hear this.
All right, guys, this product is dilutable as well. I read the instructions and a few detailers have recommended a 4-to-1 dilution. So let's dilute the product. Got my measuring cup here. Got my Zep spray bottle here with my Tolco spray on top. You know, I love my Tolco sprayers, right? So 4-to-1 in a 32-ounce bottle should be about 25.5 ounces of water. So about 6.5 ounces of product. Yeah, man, and while I'm doing the dilution here, guys, next week I'm going to be dropping episode 3 of Meet the Detailers, my new series. So make sure you keep it locked for that, right? It's been going well. I dropped 2 episodes so far. Everybody been receiving the series pretty well. I'm excited about it. So detailers out there, if you want to be highlighted on my channel, you don't know, hit me up on Instagram at Clean Car Chris. Mad. All right. This measuring cup here comes in real handy. It has up to about 16 ounces. That's about 16 there. So I need what, 25.5. So I need about 9.5 or so. And this one, that should give me about 25.5. Roughly. Time to crack this baby open. It's brand new and I just picked it up from O'Reilly's Auto Parts.
Shine up the right, brand new every time. Clean Car Chris, make the whip look fine.
All right, check this out, guys. 6.5 ounces. And now I know where the name comes from. Dark Fury. It's really dark in color. It doesn't really have the greatest smell or anything like that. It's not one of those type of products. This product is just straight to get the job done. Just mix it in. And boom, bam. Just like that. We got the sauce, special sauce right here. So check out these wheels on this Escalade. They're pretty hammered. You know, these wheels have been really neglected. A lot of water spot edgings in there and stuff. So I'm pretty interested to see how the Dark Fury will clean them up. I'm sure it's going to do a good job, but beware, this is just demo. It's not going to, you know, we're not striving for perfection here. We just want to get off like most of that surface level grime and stuff. In all honesty, these wheels look like it might need some acid treatment, you know, and all them things. So anyhow, let's see how it does. I should mention too, it's the, you know, the wheel and the tires. So it's an all-in-one when it comes to the actual tire itself and the rims, you know, the rim itself. So that's a plus. You don't need 2 separate products, you know, one for the tire, one for the rims. So, you know what, just for kicks, let's do the tire first and then the rim. Let's see what it does on the tire. Yeah, man, I'm gonna give it a good dousing. Like I said, these wheels are pretty hammered. Let that dwell for a little bit. You already know I got my Max Shine wheel brush.
Nobody do it like Clean Car Chris. Clean Car Chris, nobody do it like Clean Car Chris. Clean Car Chris, funny wife here this Clean Car Chris. Clean Car Chris, nobody do it like Clean Car Chris. Nobody do it like Clean Car Chris.
Yeah, man. You guys out there, back to the Meet the Detailers. If you guys are feeling the vibes, man, make sure you log on, like I said, next week. Got another episode coming. We're gonna keep it rolling out, guys. You know, we just started it, so we're filming, guys. We're filming detailers. We're on tour. We're moving around the state. You know, getting some good content. And you know, look forward to more episodes for throughout the rest of the year, man. Yeah, man, right now we're kind of strategizing to kind of drop an episode every other week. You know, so we dropped one last week. So for this coming week, it's going to be actually, you know, this video. So next week, we'll have another episode.
Nobody do it like Clean Car Chris. To take care of your car, the Jamaican superstar. Clean Car Chris.
All right, already I'm seeing the wheel come back to life a little bit, which is great news. I know it's a good product. Like I was saying, I've seen many detailers use it. I'm just late to the game, I guess, like real late. Just never tried it for whatever reason, I don't know. So I'm actually glad I'm actually trying it for the first time. And, you know, I can already tell, you know, it's kind of a given that I'm going to add it to the arsenal, right? But we don't have our stuff around here, right? I got this work stuff brush. It's pretty cool. It's kind of hammered now. You can see it's all frazzled out, but all in all, it's still a good brush. Good for stuff like this. I actually do see a significant improvement. Check that out. And that's just one pass, guys. It does look a lot better. All right, guys, and there you have it. The wheel looks significantly better. I'm actually happy with the product. I knew I was going to be happy with it. It's our OG product in the game, so, you know, it's like automatic in the arsenal. Like I said, I was late using the product, but, you know, I guess now I'm up to par, up to speed, whatever you want to say. So, Dark Fury by Superior Products. Awesome wheel and tire cleaner. Diluted 4:1. That's what I used. That's the dilution I used today. So, you already know. I definitely recommend it. And it's your boy, Clean Car Chris, coming at you again every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Make sure you log on, like the video, share the video, make sure you comment, all of that. And guys, remember, Meet the Detailers, episode 3, drops next week. Keep it locked.
Clean Car Chris, funny vibes. Hear this.